Hello, students, teachers, parents, science nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled Science, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today, we are going to start our biology series by looking at the science of biology. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, budding biologists and those who wandered in looking for the chemistry lecture, welcome. Today, we're embarking on an expedition into the vast and vibrant world of biology. Buckle up your lab coats and let's dive in. The essence of biology. Biology, at its core, is the scientific study of life and living organisms. Imagine being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're unraveling the mysteries of life itself, from the tiniest bacteria to the grandeur of blue whales. Defining life. The VIP Club criteria living organisms are like members of an exclusive VIP club, and to gain entry, they must meet specific criteria. Order. Life exhibits a complex but ordered organization. Just as a well-organized sock drawer has pairs neatly aligned, living organisms maintain structured arrangements. Sensitivity or response to stimuli. Organisms can respond to environmental changes. For instance, if you poke a jellyfish, it might sting you, a gentle reminder to respect personal space. Reproduction. Life doesn't just exist, it perpetuates. Organisms reproduce, ensuring the survival of their species. It's nature's way of saying, the show must go on. Adaptation. Over time, organisms evolve traits that suit their environments. Consider the chameleon, which changes color, a handy trick for both camouflage and confusing potential dates. Growth and development. Organisms grow and develop following specific instructions coded in their genes. It's like having a biological IKEA manual, but with fewer missing screws. Regulation. Living things have regulatory mechanisms to coordinate internal functions. Think of it as an internal thermostat ensuring everything runs smoothly, even when external conditions aren't ideal. Homeostasis. This is the ability to maintain stable internal conditions. For example, humans sweat to cool down, a process that's both effective and slightly embarrassing during first dates. Energy processing. Organisms need energy to fuel their activities. Whether it's a plant photosynthesizing or a teenager devouring a pizza, energy acquisition is vital. And now, the hierarchical structure of life. Life is organized in a hierarchical fashion, much like those nested Russian dolls. Atoms, the basic units of matter. Molecules, groups of atoms bonded together. Organelles, tiny organs within cells that perform specific functions. Cells, the fundamental unit of life. Tissues, groups of similar cells performing a common function. Organs, structures composed of different tissues working together. Organ systems, groups of organs that perform related functions. Organisms, individual living entities. Populations, groups of organisms of the same species in a specific area. Communities, different populations living together. Ecosystems, communities interacting with their physical environment. Biosphere, all ecosystems on Earth, the zone of life. 4. The scientific method, our trusty compass. Biologists, like all scientists, rely on the scientific method, a systematic approach to discovery. Observation, noticing phenomena and pondering, what's going on here? Question, formulating a query based on observations. Hypothesis, proposing a testable explanation. Prediction, determining what should happen if the hypothesis is correct. Experiment, testing the prediction through controlled experiments. Conclusion, analyzing results to confirm or refute the hypothesis. Iteration, repeating the process, refining hypotheses as needed. Branches of biology. There's something for everyone. Biology is a vast field with numerous branches catering to diverse interests. Molecular biology, studying life at the molecular level. Genetics, exploring heredity and variation. Microbiology, investigating microscopic organisms. Botany, focusing on plant life. Zoology, examining animals. Ecology, understanding interactions between organisms and their environment. Evolution is the unifying theme in biology. explaining the diversity of life. Through natural selection, organisms adapt to their environments over time. It's nature's way of editing the script to ensure the story of life continues, full of surprises and plot twists. 7. The importance of biology in everyday life. Understanding biology has profound implications. Health. It informs medical practices and public health policies. Environment. Guides conservation efforts and sustainable practices. Agriculture enhances crop yields and food security. Ethics. Raises questions about biotechnology and its application. And your recap. Biology is the scientific study of life, exploring everything from microscopic bacteria to massive whales. Living organisms must meet certain criteria such as organization, response to stimuli, reproduction, adaptation, and energy processing. Life is structured in a hierarchy, from atoms to the biosphere, and scientists use the scientific method to investigate its mysteries. Biology branches into fields like genetics, microbiology, botany, and ecology, all of which contribute to understanding evolution, the process driving life's diversity. Ultimately, biology impacts health, the environment, and ethics, shaping our understanding of the world and our place in it. There you have it, folks. That is the science of biology nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled Science. Help us out by going nuts on those like and subscribe buttons. It means a lot. Okay, I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled Science.